Now it's time to get started on your search, and the best way to get started here is to start looking at what has actually sold in the criteria that you're looking for in your home. There's a lot of ways we can get to this answer. You could do some searching on Zillow, or you can partner up with an agent to actually find this data and find out, is your 3-bedroom with 2 baths, attached garage actually going to be within your price range moving forward? From there, now we're actually going to start talking about the funnel. And what I mean by that is, how do we get the number of properties that you need to end up getting an accepted offer? We need to make sure there's a good amount of listings within your criteria. We need to make sure that we're going on a lot of showings to make sure that you're starting to refine those criteria, and then we need to start making strong offers. Putting all those steps together should get you to where you want to be and get that accepted offer.